Hi there, AI researchers. Welcome to How to AI in 4 Minutes. You're probably looking for the easiest ways to create amazing graphics and illustrations, perhaps logos for your clients without doing anything too complicated. This is the tutorial for you. Today we're looking at a tool to create graphics, illustrations, logos, and images with simple prompts. Do not miss any step because from the middle of this video towards the end, I'll show you a trick on how to get the platform to get your text correctly without messing it up. In this video, I'll also show you an exclusive way to make money with your art. Let's jump right in. Go to Ideogram.ai, log in with Google. You get welcomed with the prompt field and some amazing illustrations to get inspired from. You also get prompt styles like photo style, poster style, 3D render, etc. If you click on See All, you'll also get some more styles depending on the kind of image you want to create. You can also select your aspect ratio. I'm going to start with an illustration, so I select that, then type in my prompt. An illustration of an astronaut on the moon, etc. You get 4 generations and you can choose to remix your favorite. I'm remixing the images and tweaking the prompt by adding colors I want to see in the images. Look at some amazing generations generated by other creators. It's crazy how good these images are. You can see the generations are amazing and consistent. It also took the colors I added into consideration. Now I'm going to make this a little less 2D and more 3D looking by tweaking the prompt and selecting new styles like 3D render, photorealistic, etc. Because I selected vibrant, you can see the color pops like crazy. I am loving these. Looking like a wonderful album art. Now let's try some text and see how it handles it. I'm also going to change the styles because they'll affect the generation. Adding typography, etc. to the styles. It almost completely ignored the text, it just scrambled it somehow. But the graphics are pretty nice. Things like these take hours and hours to design. Now I'm taking out some styles and just leaving typography and vibrant. You can see it tried to create text. It was so close. It completely ignored the text, but to be honest, these illustrations are really nice. Now I'm going to try using an instruction by typing, create a graphic with the text, then whatever you want in quotes. With this method, you see it tried to create only text graphics and not some random graphics. You have to generate it a few times to get what you want, but in some cases you only need to try once, just as we'll see in a second. Before we try how to get the actual text we want, let's try some photo generations. Ideogram works better for graphics, but you can get some pretty decent images out of it. I'm typing the prompt, a man walking in a busy rainy street in the evening with cars and lots of lights. You know, something random. I'm going to select the photo, cinematic, portrait photography, and vibrant styles since this is a generation of a person. The images are pretty decent. The first one is totally like a painting, which I don't like, but the others are fairly okay. Note, I am not using a super detailed prompt. I'm sure you would get something way better with using better prompts. Now let's get correct text and a logo together. I've seen this method works most of the time. I'm typing a colorful logo of a camera with the text, "Shots by royalty" in quotes. This way it understands what you want. I'm selecting 3 styles, vibrant, illustration, and typography as well. You can see it got the text correctly in the first try. This is the way to go about creating text in your graphics. I added some other styles to see what happens. You can see it completely ignored the texts, except this one that it used a weird font for the other parts of the text. Now you can use this to improve your graphic jobs for clients. Amazing how far AI has come. Now I'll show you how to make money with your art. On the home page, click on your profile to see all the designs you've created. I'll select the design I want, download it, and head over to Pixel Cut to upscale the image. You can also do this on the Vectorizer platform to get lossless quality that you can edit later on Illustrator. Click on 2x upscaler or 4x, depending on how crisp you want the image. Then click Download HD. Go over to Printify. We'll be creating free products to sell, and Printify handles everything from manufacturing to shipping/fulfillment. All you have to do is design and promote your free store. Click on bestsellers and select whatever product you want. I like iPhone cases because they sell well. Click on Create Design and upload your image by clicking My Device. Once your image is uploaded, resize it to fit the outline and then Save Product. Voila, your product is ready to be sold. You can also sell your art on Wirestock and other places. AI art is monetizable and selling like crazy on stock photos websites. I did a previous video about that. I'll leave a link in the description. For more informative videos like this, remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest AI tools.